visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. Na? So let's check the energy of your romantic life. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. No? So this is a timeless reading that kung kailan nyo ito mapanood, the message is meant to find you. Spiritual union, memories of love, and base chakra. So parang you and your person had their strong foundation, maganda naman yung napagsamahan. Actually, maganda yung start. I feel like with the memories of love, nagkaroon na dito ng separation because the memories, you are not going to look back at it if you're still holding, no, the person, the subject per se. So whether this is a physical or energetic separation, para po sa mga bago, ang separation kasi for me, no, parang I divided them into two. Physical separation, ito po yung literal na malayo sa isa't isa. Whether merong challenges, whether you're okay, you're physically in separation, no? Nasa kabilang isla, nasa kabilang barangay, nasa kabilang bahay, kahit nasa isang compound kayo, no? Or magkaiba kayo ng kwarto, no? In physical separation, the person might also be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, different planet. So there, in literal form. Energetic separation, pwede kasi nakikita kayo, diba? Pwede naman, nakikita kayo sa bahay, sa school, sa trabaho, pero may gap kasi hindi kayo nag-uusap, hindi kayo nagtititigan. So, that's still a separation, no? But with the spiritual union, in here, so I feel like meron ditong merong will of wanting to reconnect, a will of wanting to reconcile, will of wanting to work on things and work on the connection. So let's see here with the shadow side. Wow, it felt like this person actually did your numbers, did you wrong, lied to you in so many ways. With the Two of Wands and the Nine of Wands. Parang, actually, hindi naman lumaki. Hindi pa ganun kalaki. Naagapan mo agad or someone probably mentioned to you what truly happened, and I feel like bago pa, no, maging sabi natin, susugat ito bago pa maging cancer, no, nakita mo na. But then again, whether this is a huge chunk of dishonesty or this is just, a lie is a lie. Your person did something wrong, no? Parang hindi kanya sinama sa mga plans, hindi kanya sinama sa happenings, no? Parang nagsarili, no? Ito si person. About decision making. The Star, the Ten of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. I want to clarify the Ten of Swords kasi parang feeling ko this might be intentional to put you in a stagnation position or in a stagnant position Kasi I feel like mas inuna niya yung sarili niya. So there's also something here na kapag ka-selfish, no? Si person. Mas inuna niya yung sarili niya. Siguro while with you, mas gusto ko magkasama tayo, no? Na um, we're facing the journey of life, no? Na tayong dalawa. Pero si person parang mas inuna niya yung sarili niya with the Six of Swords and the Seven of Swords. There's actually a lot of lies in here. I feel like meron itong pinupuntahan, whether this is bars, um, or may kinakatagpo, no? This might be, kasi the Seven of Swords signifies a thief in the night. Something that your person kind of like taking away from you, taking away the love. It could also be your peace of mind. Whatever is abundant or important to you, I think that your person is taking away the trust per se, no? And I feel like very smooth at first. Yun nga lang, hindi na nagtagal. Pero again, like what I mentioned earlier, a lie is a lie. So nagawa na, nangyari na, ano pang gagawin natin, no? With the Knight of Wands, the Ten of Wands, and the Six of Wands. So I also want to clarify the Ten of Wands kasi parang I feel like nahihirapan si person dito ngayon. But with the Knight of Wands, parang gusto niya, sandali, pwede bang join ka uli sa akin? Bakit? Kasi mahirap na yung mga situation. With the Emperor and the King of Swords, parang sinabi ng no, mahal kita. No? Hindi yon mababago. That's actually my emotion with you. Mahal pa rin kita. Pero I want you to fix your own gusot. No? Kung gusto mong bumalik ako sa buhay mo, hindi ko naman yan gulo eh. 'Di ba? At first, wala naman talagang dapat gulo. Kung nanahimik ka lang. Kung nakontento ka lang. Hindi ko wini-wish sa'yo na magulo ang buhay mo. No? Pero ikaw gumawa niya, tapos isasama mo ako. Ala, 'di ba parang it's unfair. Kasi all I wanted in this connection is a straight life, a comfortable life, a harmonious connection with you. Ikaw ang nagpagulo. Ngayon, nung nagkagulo-gulo ka, parang napaka-unfair para ako mag-ayos. No? Hindi dahil sa makasarili ako. Sino ba unang naging makasarili sa atin? I feel like yun yung yun yung naging thinking mo ngayon. Yun yung realization mo ngayon. With the Ten of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the Ace of Swords, I feel like nasa malayong lugar ka or nasa malayong lugar siya. I think that your person is going to ask for financial assistance, whether this is building, themselves up. So whether this is business or yung panimula, I feel like, no, tama na. Kasi with the Ten of Pentacles, pero yung iba sa inyo magbibigay pa rin, ha? Again, I have nothing against kung gusto nyo magbigay or not, that's you. No? Kung saan kayo masaya, if you feel like doon kayo magiging maligaya, by all means, do so. No? Hindi po ako dito para mag-comment ng kung ano-ano. With that, minsan, nagko-comment ako, but that is according to my own perception, to my own moral, no? Pero diktahan kayo on what you're gonna do. I think I'm out of it. With the High Priest, the Page of Swords, and the Strength card. So, meron ditong promise person, no? Actually, ang promise niya dito is, dun po sa mga hindi pa kasal, no? I'm going to tie the knots with you pagdating mo or simulan na natin to. Pero totoo naman. Kasi with the Hierophant, parang ito kasi yung tao na they can apologize even, they can apologize without thinking that I'm less of a person if I did. No? Pero kasi with the Strength card, this is also a promise of, ayoko naman talaga siyang gawin at first, parang anuhan lang ako, napilitan, pero gagawin ko naman, no? Parang sasabihin niya, meron akong isang salita. So, meron naman palang isang salita. So, there you go. So, meron kang panghahawakan ngayon. But then again, it's still up to you. With the King of Pentacles, the Tower, and the Fool card, I feel like medyo mahihirapan itong makabangon. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi makakabangon. I'm just saying mahihirapan. No? Kasi the Tower showed up and the Fool card, I feel like meron yata itong ginawang padalos-dalos na isang decision or decision making na ginawa niya. Talagang hindi kasi nama, inilihim sa'yo, and then nagkagulo-gulo. So I want to clarify the Tower, the Eight of Swords, and the Two of Cups. So parang hindi siya talaga nakontento, no, dun sa relationship at first. But then again, like what I mentioned, enlightenment is already here. The Fool card, I feel like meron din kayo ditong age gap. Whether this is a May-December love affair, it may not be. Baka konti lang yung gap, no? But I am seeing in here, maayos naman, no? Titino naman siya, mag-i-stay naman siya sa connection, and this will be a lasting relationship. Yun nga lang, no? Paano natin ibabalik, lalo na sa mga tao na nagawan mo na ako ng masama, so hindi mo maaalis sa akin na lahat ng gagawin mo questioning ko. No? Tama ba ako dun? Let me know sa comment section. But let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Bago po yan, gusto kong ipaalam sa inyo na sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung, kung gusto niyo magpa-reading, nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question, nandun po yung turnaround time. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Yeah, let's check the zodiac sign na. Cancer, Sagittarius, Aries, Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, Virgo. Yeah, Cancer is very dominant. Scorpio, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, yeah, Sagittarius, paulit-ulit siya. Aquarius, bago to ha. Aquarius showed up, Scorpio, and Pisces showed up. So, this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na video. Goodbye.